Hello traders, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be looking at the night scalper expert advisor for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. This is a session based scalper designed to trade EURUSD during specific night hours on the 5-minute time frame. The developer shows extremely high win rates in their backtest, so I ran a full test to see how it performs in recent conditions in this review. So ensure you watch until the end to get the full picture of the night scalper expert advisor. Now, before we dive into today's EA, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in. You can download it for free by using the link in the description below. It's totally worth it, so ensure you check it out. Now, without wasting any much of your time, let's talk about the night scalper expert advisor. This EA was developed by the Robots for Forex Limited. They are very popular on the MT4 community. They have 3.7 stars out of 5 from 70 ratings. Now, the professional software developer with a passion for finance, that's his bio, has 31 products, and he's from the United Kingdom. This EA goes for just $30 US, but we have some suspicious things here. The EA has no ratings, no reviews, no comments, and it's been published and active since 14th March 2019. So it's an EA that is not very popular. Not many people know about this night scalper. And let's talk about the mechanism and the workings, the strategy behind the night scalper. It is built as a night scalper, just like the name, and it opens trades only during a specific time window, typically from 22:00 to 01:00 server time, and targeting the quieter night session on EURUSD on the 5-minute time frame. It uses a tight take profit of 10 pips and a wider stop loss of 125 pips. It also includes an RSI based smart close feature to exit trades early when conditions change. Let's look at the signals. They have some signals, but it's been taken down. Now. Let's look at their backtest. The developers backtest highlights an extremely high win rate of over 99% with a very strong profit factor. They even present it as a low risk night scalping system that avoids news and volatile periods by trading only during calm hours. This is how their equity curve looks like. They also have another backtest on EURUSD on the 15-minute time frame. Have one on AUD/USD on the 15-minute time frame. So I have multiple backtests, and all of them, their win rates are above 90%, which is very impressive and also shocking. Now, the features of this EA, features marketed by the developer, is that it uses fixed or risk-based lot sizing, and it also has strict trading hours, has tight take profit, wider stop loss, RSI smart close logic. We also have the max spread filter, the Friday close protection, and an option to enable averaging. It's designed for traders who want a simple time restricted scalper that only operates during low volatility night sessions. Now let's look at my backtest. I tested this expert advisor on MetaTrader 5, on EURUSD on the 5-minute time frame for the full year June 2025 to June 2026 with a $10,000 deposit using fixed 0.01 lots. The result was a small net loss of about $23 and a profit factor of 0.54. It also has a max drawdown which stayed very low, around 0.34, and the win rate was still high, near 97 to 98%, but the equity curve showed gradual downward drift with several small drops and limited recovery. Compared to the developer's impressive 99+ win rate backtest, my recent test had a much lower profit factor and ended slightly in the red, even though the win rate remained high and drawdown stayed very controlled. This is due to the small take profit, so almost all of his trades likely hit TP, but the few ones that hit stop loss can take a chunk of your account size. We have one here. I think this drop here you can see is one of those times where we hit the stop loss. Here is another one, and another one here, and another one here. We also have some spikes. Now the thing about this is that it lives up to the low drawdown part of its name, but the catch is that high win rate doesn't always mean profit when the losing trades are larger, because it uses a very tight 10 pip take profit against a 125 pip stop loss. It needs a very high win rate to stay profitable, and even small changes in spread or slippage can hurt it badly. It's also very sensitive to the exact trading hours and broker conditions during the night session. Now this is for traders who specifically want a low drawdown night scalper on EURUSD on the 5-minute time frame, and also for traders who are comfortable with tight take profits. It can work on prop accounts if you have good raw spread broker and stable VPS. The beginners might like the simplicity, but anyone expecting consistent profits from a 99% win rate system should be realistic. Yeah, always test thoroughly on your own broker during the exact night hours in case you want more information on this expert advisor. I would also advise you send a message directly to the developer to give you set files, exact set files that will suit your preferences and also your risk appetite, depending if you do not like the defaults that come with the expert advisor. I use the defaults to run this my backtest, and you can see the results. The only drawdown to this EA is the fact that its take profit is 10 pip. If you can maybe adjust the stop loss a bit, take it higher a bit, maybe 1:1, then maybe you can get something out of this EA. That's why I said beginners or people who want a simple set and forget should probably just skip it. But if you're experienced with setting up an EA, if you can arrange these inputs in a way that the high win rate can work for you, then you can go with the night scalper. Now, like this video if you want more real expert advice or reviews like this one. Subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on further expert advice or reviews like this one. Comment below which EA you want me to review next, and grab the free Forex robot from the description below. Trade safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.